Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable use secure print on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here we want to go over to the function settings, and then right at the bottom we have the secure print. Now if we want to disable it, then we just click off and then click on apply. And as you guys can see, the changes will be effective after the main power is turned off and then on again. So you just have to restart your printer. Now we can also enable it by clicking on the on option, then clicking apply. Make sure to click that apply button, because whenever you don't click this, then basically those settings won't save, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.